What if I told you that space is so vast, so mysterious, and so strange that the reality we know might just be a tiny speck of the unknown? Buckle up, because in the next few minutes, you're about to hear some of the most jaw-dropping facts about the universe. Facts that will make you question everything you thought you knew. Ready to have your mind blown? Let's dive in. Space has always fascinated us. It's the great unknown, the final frontier. But as we explore more, we're beginning to realize that space isn't just mind-bogglingly big. It's also filled with some of the most bizarre, mysterious, and terrifying phenomena you can imagine. Today, I'm going to walk you through 10 incredible facts about space that will leave you wondering what else is out there and how little we actually know. Fact 1. The universe is infinite. Or is it? Let's start with the biggest question of all. How big is the universe? Well, according to scientists, it's expanding. In fact, the universe is growing so fast that distant galaxies are moving away from us faster than the speed of light. But here's the kicker. We don't know if the universe has an edge. It could be infinite. Or it could loop back on itself like a giant cosmic donut. The truth is, we have no idea what the shape of the universe actually is. And that's both terrifying and awe-inspiring, right? Fact 2. There's a planet where it rains glass. Sideways. Move over Earth, because there's a planet out there that makes our weather look like a walk in the park. Meet HD 189733b, a planet located 63 light-years away from us. What's so special about it? Well, this planet has winds that blow at 5,400 miles per hour and rain made of molten glass. Oh, and the rain doesn't fall down. It moves sideways because of the insane wind speeds. Can you imagine standing on that planet? You'd be shredded to pieces in seconds. Space isn't just mysterious, it's downright hostile. Fact 3. The coldest place in the universe. It's called the Boomerang Nebula, and it's located about 5,000 light-years away from Earth. Here, temperatures drop to -458 degrees Fahrenheit, which is actually colder than the background temperature of space itself. It's so cold that scientists call it the coldest place in the universe. Why is it so cold? The nebula is ejecting gas at such a fast rate that it cools the surrounding area to near absolute zero. Imagine that. A place in space where it's even colder than space itself. Fact 4. The sound of space. Yes, space has sound. You've probably heard that in space, no one can hear you scream. That's true. Sort of. Space is a vacuum, which means there's no air to carry sound waves. But that doesn't mean space is completely silent. In fact, scientists have recorded eerie sounds from the universe using special instruments. Take, for example, the whistling sounds of the planet Saturn, captured by NASA's Cassini spacecraft, or the haunting heartbeat of a black hole. It turns out that space has its own soundtrack, and it's as mysterious as it is beautiful. Fact 5. Black holes can spit out light. Black holes are famous for swallowing everything in their path, including light. But did you know that they can also spit out beams of light that stretch for millions of light years? This phenomenon is called a relativistic jet. When matter falls into a black hole, some of it gets compressed into superheated plasma and shot out at nearly the speed of light. These jets are so powerful that they can shape entire galaxies. So the next time you think of a black hole as a cosmic vacuum cleaner, remember that they can also be cosmic laser beams. Fact 6. The universe is invisible. Mostly. Here's a mind-bender. Everything you can see, stars, planets, galaxies, makes up less than 5% of the universe. The other 95%? It's made of dark matter and dark energy, two mysterious forces that we can't see or detect directly. We only know they exist because they affect the way galaxies move. Dark matter acts like a kind of cosmic glue, holding galaxies together, while dark energy is the force that's pushing the universe apart at an accelerating rate. What is dark matter, and what is dark energy? We have no idea, but without them, the universe wouldn't be what it is today. Fact 7. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on Earth. Think about the last time you went to the beach. Now imagine counting every single grain of sand. Seems impossible, right? Well, guess what? There are more stars in the universe than there are grains of sand on all of Earth's beaches combined. Scientists estimate that there are about 100 billion galaxies in the observable universe, and each galaxy contains hundreds of billions of stars. That's a number so big it's hard to even wrap your head around it. And that's just what we can see. Who knows how many more stars are out there beyond the observable universe? Fact 8. The largest volcano in the solar system isn't on Earth. If you thought Mount Everest or Mauna Kea were impressive, wait until you hear about Olympus Mons. This massive volcano is located on Mars, and it's the largest in the entire solar system. How big is it? Olympus Mons is about 13.6 miles high. That's nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest. And it's 370 miles in diameter, which is roughly the size of the state of Arizona. Scientists believe that because Mars doesn't have tectonic plates like Earth, volcanoes can grow to enormous sizes without being disrupted. So, if you ever visit Mars, make sure to bring your hiking boots. Fact 9. Neutron stars are the densest objects in the universe. Neutron stars are what's left behind after a massive star explodes in a supernova. These stars are incredibly dense, so dense that a single teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh around 6 billion tons. That's roughly the weight of a mountain. These stars are so compact that their gravity is intense enough to bend light and slow down time. Neutron stars are also home to some of the most extreme magnetic fields in the universe, capable of tearing apart anything that comes too close. They might be small, but they pack a punch like nothing else in the cosmos. Fact 10. The universe is 13.8 billion years old. But what came before? The universe as we know it began 13.8 billion years ago with the Big Bang. But what was there before the Big Bang? That's one of the biggest questions in modern science, and the truth is, we don't know. Some scientists believe there was nothing, no time, no space, no matter. Others think the Big Bang was just one of many cycles of creation and destruction, meaning the universe could be infinitely old. It's a mystery we may never solve, but it's one that keeps scientists, and the rest of us, wondering. Space is mind-boggling, mysterious, and sometimes downright terrifying. But it's also beautiful, fascinating, and full of surprises. The more we learn, the more we realize how little we know. Which of these facts blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to keep exploring the wonders of the universe, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more cosmic discoveries. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep looking up.